Hi there everyone. This is a driving lesson about winter driving in the snow. As you can see, the place is covered. I'm in a parking lot and I'm actually sitting on about 6 inches, maybe more, of snow. So I'm gonna try to get out of here without getting stuck. Well, I know that the snow is, we'll say, 6-7 inches deep, so I don't want to just try to drive off because it's built up, the snow is built up on the tires. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna back up. So I put the car in reverse, and then I'm gonna back up just a little bit so I can have more leeway going forward. Okay, so I backed up about a foot. Then I put it to drive, and I'm gonna go to the left, so I signal left, and I give it a little acceleration, and there it is. I'm out of the snow. I did not get stuck, and this is just a front wheel drive car. It's not a 4x4. So it's pretty good, and I don't have winter tires on, just regular all season radials. Now I'm gonna exit this parking lot, but I have to go and pay to exit the parking lot, so I need to straighten out the car so I can get closer to the pay box. So I did not have sufficient room just coming out the side here. So that's why I took this wide turn. Okay, now be careful when approaching the pay box. That's why they have these yellow things here to guide you so you don't hit anything. And just stop close to it. Now I roll my window down, and for safety I put the car in park. And then I have my ticket to get out. So I insert the ticket, then I get my credit card, and it says please tap at or insert. So I tap, then I put to drive and wait for the gate to open. Alright, there it goes. Then I can drive out. Now I'm making a left turn at the stop sign. Well, I just stop at the stop sign because you can't see any sidewalk or white lines. Check left, right, and it's good. So I do my hand over hand steering, and I'm on my way. But for safety's sake, I don't want to lose my credit card, so I'm just gonna pull over to the right here, stop with the signal on, or I could have my four-way hazards. I just want to get my credit card back in my wallet because it's very easy to lose these things. Okay, so I've got that. So now I can signal to the left, check around, then I can drive off. Then cancel the signal. These are helpful tips for all drivers, both experienced and beginners, because a lot of people, they do things and they're doing it incorrectly, and then things happen. Okay, right turn at the stop sign. So I stop at the stop sign because I cannot see any white line or sidewalk. Safe to the left, so I make my turn. As usual, if my video goes dead suddenly, kindly like and subscribe what you've seen so far. Now if it doesn't die, well, I'll just keep on recording. Now we have a green light and I'm taking it straight. I just have to check the intersection. The speed here is 50 kilometers an hour, and I'm doing about 38 because the roads are slippery. It's snow covered. Now if you're learning to drive and driving in the winter and you need information or tips on how to drive in the winter, all you have to do is to go on YouTube and talk to your phone or your tablet and just say driving buddy system, and you'll be able to get a whole lot of videos. These videos are used by my students to pass their driving test. So let's say you wanted winter driving. All you have to do is say driving buddy system winter driving tips, and you should see the driving buddy tips covering winter driving. Okay, now I'm doing 40 in a 50 zone. I don't want to drive at 50 in the 50 zone because the roads are covered in snow. It's also icy and slippery, so it's a matter of safety. That's why I'm driving under the speed limit. Okay, so it's a left turn at the lights. It's a possibility that those lights will change on me. It's green right now, but I'm gonna get it. It's still green. No one approaching, so I make my left turn, and that's it. Okay, now this is actually 2 lanes. This lane here, and there's another one over there, but as you can see, it's covered in snow, so obviously I'm not gonna be going over to the right. Approaching a green light, chances are it might change on me. I can feel the car sliding, but I'm only doing 40, so it's not too bad. Now check the intersection, left, right, and proceed. Going up the hill, so you can hear the engine. I had to accelerate a little bit to push the car up the hill. Now like I said, back there it's 2 lanes and there's the other lane, but if someone was in that lane, they have to see that yellow sign which suggests that that lane ends, so of course they would have to come over in this lane. Speed here is 70 kilometers an hour. And of course, there's another sign that suggests that this right lane ends. It's blocked with snow, so there's, instead of having 2 lanes going in the same direction, it's just 1 lane. Okay, so it was 70 back there, and now it says 80 begins. So the road looks okay. I mean, there's snow in the middle of the road, but you can see the clear section up to the left and the right of the snow. So it's 80, I'm doing about 70 right now. Remember, if the video goes dead, please like and subscribe. And this is winter driving at night on snow-covered, slippery roads. Notice I'm driving in a left turn lane because that lane is blocked. But that's how it is. I can't drive over there. It's not safe. Okay, I think I'll end this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.